Welcome to Melosia, a mobile e-learning for operation research. So now we are going to define what is a operation research. What is operation research? It is the method of analysis by which management receives aid for their decisions. Though the name of this method, operation research, is relatively new, but the method used for this is not a new one. Operation research is concerned with the application of the principles and the methods of science to the problems of strategy. So, the subject of operation research was born during Second World War in United Kingdom. So, and was used for military strategy. During World War II, a group of scientists having representatives from mathematics, statistics, physical and social sciences were entrusted to the study of various military operations. This team was very successful and greatly contributed to the miraculous handling of entire operation and related problems of the operation. So, the need of assigning such studies for operation research arose because military strategies and their decisions become so important and costly, and therefore the best scientists under the sponsorship of military organs were grouped together to provide quantitative informations by adapting scientific techniques and methods for facilitating in taking decisions. So, after the World War II, it was started applying in the fields of industry, trade, agriculture, planning, and various other fields of economy. The operation research can be defined as the application of scientific methods, techniques, and tools to problems involving the operations of system so as to provide those in the control of the system with optimal solutions to the problems. It is also a tool for taking decisions which searches for the optimum results in parity with the overall objectives and constraints of the organization. It is a scientific method of providing executive department with a quantitative basis of decisions regarding the operations under their control. It is also a science approach to problem solving for management, an aid for executive in making decisions by providing the need of quantitative information based on scientific method of analysis. It is also the application of modern methods of mathematical science to complex problems involving management of large systems of men, machines, materials, and money in industry, business, government, and defense. The distinctive approach is to develop a scientific model of this system incorporating measurement of factors such as chance and risk to predict and compare the outcome of alternative decisions, strategies, or controls. It is the application of the scientific methods by scientists and subject specialists to the study of the given operation. Its purpose is to give administration a basis for predicting quantitatively the most effective results of an operation under given set of variable conditions, and thereby to provide a sound basis for decision making. In fact, in operation research, research techniques and scientific methods are employed for the analysis and also for studying the current or future problems. Thus, operation research offers alternative plans for a problem to the management for decisions. Although it is very clear that operation research never make decisions for the management, instead the method present management with a careful scientific and quantitative analysis of problems so that the management will be in a better position to make sounder decisions. So it can also be used for solving different types of problems, such as dealing with the waiting line, the arrival of units or persons requiring service. It deals with the allocation of material or activities among limited facilities. It deals with the production processing, production control, and material shipment. But it may be remembered that operation research never replaces a manager as decision maker. So the ultimate and full responsibility for analyzing all factors and making decisions will be of the manager. In the more wide sense, operation research doesn't deal with the everybody problems such as output by the one worker or machine capacity. Instead, it is concerned with the overall aspect of business operation such as something as the relationship between inventory, production, and scheduling. It may also deal with the overall flow of goods and services from plants to consumers. So, the team doing operation research may have statisticians, psychologists, labor specialists, mathematicians, and other depending upon the requirement for the problems. So, there are three phases of operation research: judgment phase, research phase, and the action phase. So, the scope of operation research in these recent years, organized of development has solved successfully many cases of research for military, the government, and industry. The basic problem in most of the developing countries in Asia and Africa is to remove poverty and hunger as quickly as possible. So, there is a great scope for economists, statisticians, administrators, politicians, and technicians working in a team to solve this problem by the operation research approach.